Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. You know, my mother-in-law always said that things break in threes. Well, I fixed this dryer twice now, so it's the washing machine's turn. Walked in the other day and there was water all over the floor. Did a little research and found that the tub to pump hose was leaking like a water gun underneath. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take the old one off and put the new one on. Should be good as new. But before we do anything, we're going to unplug it and turn off the water and unhook the water supply lines. If you've never installed a washing machine before, just look behind it. You'll see the power cord and you'll see the water supply lines. We're going to go ahead and unplug it first. I like to throw the cord back over so it doesn't fall behind it. It's harder to get. We will turn off both the cold and the hot water. And if you look right back here, that's where they connect. We're going to unscrew those. You might need a wrench to loosen them up. All right, we got the water supply lines undone, and a little tip is to have a bucket or something to catch the water because these will have water in them. Or you can do what I do and just kind of turn them into the drain that's already there. All right, got it all disconnected. Next thing we're going to do is lay it down on its side, or excuse me, on its front. And you might want to put a blanket out or a big towel so that it doesn't scratch up the front of the machine. The washing machine is laying on its front. This is the drain hose. We're going to have to unhook it. So get a pair of pliers and just pinch this clamp so that you can pull the drain hose off. And once you do, underneath is actually the tub to pump hose that we're going to replace. The drain hose is off. The next thing we have to do is take this screw out because it holds the hose to the back of the machine. We're going to grab our drill and we're just going to back this out. Easy peasy. Like I said before, keep a little cup or something where you can put this so that you don't lose it. Now that the screw is gone, we're going to take our pliers and we're going to pinch this little tab right here like this so that we can get it out. This takes two hands, so I'll be back in just a second. As you can see, it is now loose. We're going to go to the underside of the machine. And we're going to pull that out of there. And the next thing we have to do is pinch this clamp and work it off of this pump motor. And to do that, I again need both hands. Once you have this clamp loose off of here, you may have to take your pliers and work this tube just a little bit to get it loose. Don't squeeze too hard because you don't want to crack any of this. And there it goes. Good opportunity to clean out any gunk that might be trapped in there. And now we can put the new hose on. We have the new hose securely onto the pump. We're going to take this end and put it right back where it came from. And as you can see, there's a little lip on the end of this. You go right underneath. There we go, right underneath there, and you should be able to pop it right in. There you go. Now we're going to get that screw, put it back into place. We can put the drain back on, put the water lines back on, plug it right back in. Everything is reconnected now and put back together. The water lines are reattached, the machine is plugged in, but before we see if it works, I'm going to show you how much money you will save by doing this yourself at home. As usual, I did some research and found that the average cost to repair that machine is $300. I bought that part online. It was $25. That is a savings of $275. That's why you do stuff at home, people. Anyway, let's see if it worked. I ran a short cycle on the machine, propped it up and looked underneath with a flashlight. Didn't see any drips at all. Looks like another job well done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.